Welcome back to another demonstration of OpenAI. When I started playing with OpenAI, I threw kind of everything at it that I could think of. A bunch of different Hello World examples, a bunch of requests for scripts or um, methods that do something, various different languages. I did a lot with the text-to-image generation. I even tried to create some Excel stuff from the chat. So what I wanted to go over today is one of the things that I found most interesting. And I've demonstrated this to a lot of people because I thought it was really cool. I really see the opportunity for it to um, help developers, even when it's not 100% right, um, with refactors or various, tasks that where it can do maybe like 80, 90% of the work, and then um, those developers can go and take it the rest of the way and make sure it's doing what you expect it to. So today what I'm doing is a simple hello world Java microservice. I'm asking it to create that in Vertex and listen on port 8080. When it gets a request to test endpoint, it will respond with hello world. So let's submit that and see what we get back. And I really want this to have a main method. So I'm going to come back up here and say include a main method to start this application. I'm just going to go ahead and erase what it had there previously. All right, so you can see here what we have is it's using Vertex. So it has the abstract vertical, server request responses imported, a main which creates the vertex and deploys the vertical, creating this new test vertical, which is the class that it created. And then inside that start method, it tells it to handle the specific request and listen on port 8080 as we requested. Then you can see inside this handle request, it builds a response, checks the request path to see if it equals what it's listening for, and if it does, respond with hello world. If it's some other path, it's going to respond with a 404, both of those ending the request and closing it out. So pretty cool. I haven't run this, but from what I know on Vertex, this likely will work. But what I want to do and what I want to demonstrate is I want to ask it to convert, can't spell, convert this code to Spring Boot. All right, and you can see here it's basically the same application, but it's been rewritten to be a Spring Boot application. And that's interesting. A lot of people use Spring, but maybe I want to um, use Micronaut. Micronaut. And you can see here, same thing. And this, I guess, is a great example on where it can go wrong. So it does have a Micronaut application here. And I could be wrong because I don't know Micronaut, but it did seem to erase the main method that it previously had in the Spring Boot and in the Vertex. But point is, it's very interesting to see that it is so quickly able to take a block of code and just convert it over to, something else. I haven't tried this with anything more complex. So I don't know how it would work with some complex logic. It may miss a lot of things, but the potential here is very interesting to me. The other thing, which I'm trying now for the first time, is convert. Actually, I'm going to go back to the Spring code, leaving this in Spring, and I'm going to ask to convert this code to a Node.js app. So there you go, not just converting frameworks, but also converting to a different language altogether. While we're at it, we can also go into Python. So yeah, quick short demonstration, but see a lot of potential for this, especially as it grows over the next few years. Thanks for watching.